Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to install Deliveroo Rider app on a device. Now if you want to install the Deliveroo Rider app and start delivering food, job like this and all, but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Now if you want to install the Deliveroo Rider app on a device, you need to simply go on App Store or Play Store as your respective device. Now I'm using an iPhone, so I need to simply go on the App Store app. So I'll simply click on it. So after opening the App Store app, you need to simply search for Deliveroo Rider by clicking on the search option at the very bottom right of the page. So simply search Deliveroo Rider. Now it takes you to the page where you'll see the option of Deliveroo Rider. So you may click on the option of that, and you'll see the option of get which is highlighted on blue. So you may simply click on the option of get. And now if you're installing for the first time, it may ask you to verify yourself. So you may click on the double. You need to click double on the power button at the very top right, or you may simply click on the option and verify yourself of the Face ID. So after doing all of it, as you can see that the app has been started to install. That's how you can install the Deliveroo Rider app on your device. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.